The Care by Air project is about using drones or unmanned autonomous vehicles to transport medical isotopes from production sites to processing sites to the hospitals where they're ultimately used. Some of these medical isotopes have a half-life of only an hour or 2 hours. And what that can mean is that a traffic jam that only takes up, say, even 15 or 20 minutes of the driver's time is going to result in a patient dose of medical isotope getting delivered when there's not enough isotope left to actually provide the diagnosis that the patient needs. The partnership we're building now around the Care by Air project has the potential to revolutionize how we transport not just medical isotopes, but other perishable medical goods as well.
The Care by Air project is one example of where we're bringing our nuclear know-how and experience to enable innovation in medical isotopes. We're really pleased to be bringing our expertise in shipping radioactive materials and radiopharmaceuticals and medical isotopes that we've developed through our long experience in producing them and shipping them around the world.